Hello guys, in this video I will try just to speak about something about the stock market as being illogical. Now, illogical, what does it mean? It means if you try to trade using your logic or your common sense, you will never make it. And there is an English person, I think from United Kingdom, and he was trying to argue with me about the common sense. Okay, it means, he said to me, there is no common sense in trading. It means if you use common sense, we don't get nothing from the market. I say to him that common sense is something subjective. Subjective, what does it mean? It means, I will give you an example. Hope this example clarifies this idea. The Indians, for example, in India, okay, they worship the cows. Okay, it's their common sense. Religious belief, common sense, this is what they believe in. So they let it eat wherever it goes, they don't kill it. Okay, you go to America here, or Europe, or Australia, or wherever, their common sense is to kill the cow and to eat the meat. So where is this common sense that you are speaking about? There is no common sense. Common sense changes according to the people, cultures, people identity, people. It means in each country they have a common sense. They accept things and they don't accept things, other things, in religion or in social life or whatever. So the market is illogical. I will tell you why. One time in the past, when I was a beginner and I tried just to understand how this trading, how this market works, okay? So it was very difficult for me to understand the main idea. Okay, why a stock goes up and the other goes down? What's the problem? If I know the reason or the cause, I can trade and I can make money. This is my idea when I was a beginner. Now, and I was following a meeting like this with some people who try to explain investing, and they have some criteria and they teach us for free, and then if you want to subscribe, and they will show us the companies that they think according to their criteria will go up. So for me, it was at that time, it was a solution. I want to understand this. Maybe they are right and I can begin investing and I can make money from what they say. Okay? Now, the guy who was always speaking, I raised my hand, I asked him one question. And I say to him that I find a stock that has nothing to do with your criteria. Earnings, competition, good thing, you know, this stuff, this ugly stuff that they always talk about online when you find investing. Okay, they just talk about something that will never work in real market. So I asked him the question. A stock was 95 cents. In 1 month, it is $30. I can give you the ticker or the symbol. can you please go check your criteria and find me only one criteria of what you said? I give him the symbol, and he go to his software or whatever. He doesn't find nothing, which was very funny for me. And I said to him, okay, can you tell me why? Because I want just really to understand the thing. You know, he told me, I don't know. And when he tells me, I don't know, why this stock goes from 95 cents to $30 because it was a true thing. It means I find this stock, I just give it to him. He sees it in the chart, he doesn't understand nothing. Because it's 30 days. It was like a penny stock, but then it changes to big stock to $30. So from that day, I stopped going to that meeting or meetup. I stopped because that guy doesn't answer a simple question that I am asking. And this simple question, it is the heart of trading, and this is the thing I'm doing right now. So I understand that these guys are giving criteria like this about a good company because they try to replicate what they see. Oh, they see Facebook, they see, for example, what is it? They see Apple, oh, because it has a smartphone and it is unique in the world, and because they sell a lot, and because the girls and boys, they like the smartphone, because we have Facebook and we have Snapchat and we have other things, okay? And it is, and it is, and it is. But when you compare to other companies, that they have nothing. They have no smartphones, they have no earnings, they have nothing. The company is a piece of crap. They have no earnings. No, they have nothing. This company is a small company like this, and then it becomes big. So what is behind this? That's why I'm telling you that the market is illogical. You don't try to control the market with your limits. You say the stock should go up because of this and this and this and this. Okay? So when you try to limit the stock like this, I can give you stocks that have no limits that you say, and the stock go up. And for a trader, what is it? What's the most important thing that counts? For me, I don't care about the company. Okay? The company, what does it do, where it goes, the earnings, I don't care, because I'm not investing in it. I am staying a short time, a few days, few weeks, a few months, until I get a nice profit, and then I exit when I see the company doesn't give no more money. Okay? So I don't care about this company if it is progressing or it's becoming bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, I don't want to own parts of this company and to stay forever, because on any day or any week the stock can go down because of news or international news or national news or the industry news or sector news, or the company itself, it has a problem or whatever, and the stock will be going down because the people, they short it, or a big hedge fund, they short the stock, and the mutual fund is selling, or a lot of mutual funds are selling. So this is things that happen in the market, that they change the price regardless of the company itself, if it is good or bad, regardless. Okay? So the price of the stock is something else than the company itself. If you just understand this, you will understand the whole picture of trading. Okay? You will understand the whole picture. So the market is illogical. Don't try to give reasons. For me, when you ask me, Why this stock goes up? I say the demand is big. Is it true? Yes, it is true. There is no doubt in it. It's a fact. The stock can't go up without a demand. What does it mean, a demand? It means there are big hands or big traders or hedge funds that they are buying. I see this in the chart. Okay? It is a fact because the price can't go up without a demand. It means people or traders demand this because they see the stock is going up. All the people, they come because it is like a feast. Okay? It's like when you are invited to a party. In the card, it says this is an invitation. It is a party. It begins at 8 o'clock. It finishes at 12 a.m. It means midnight. This is the party. Now you have some trouble, or you have a lot of troubles, and you can't come, and then you want to go to this party, okay? But you come to this party at midnight. So when you go there, you find no one because all the people have gone to their home because the party has begun at 8 and it ends at midnight. So in order to trade, it's like an invitation by the market. The market shows you opportunities to come, and if you come on time, like 8, 8:30, 9 o'clock, even if you come at 10, you can have the party, okay, and you have fun with your friends until midnight. But if you come after midnight, you will find no one, and maybe your friend is going to sleep. You say, I'm sorry, all the people have gone, why you don't come early? You say, I'm going to sleep. So you go back. Okay? So this is what we call the demand. The demand is the time when the mutual funds or big guys in the market, they are buying. You see this? And this, all my strategies is based on this. When you see these things, the beginning, you see it, you try to be in from the first green candlestick. The first one, you should be there because you search and you find that. Now, if the stock is going down, what is the reason? We have two reasons. I'm telling you definitely to know about this. Okay? It is when someone is selling. I don't care what is the reason why he's selling. He's just selling. This is the reason. And when someone is selling, there is another action that happens in the market, is short sellers. They come and they short the stock to make money because they see it's an opportunity to make money. Okay? So that's it. Don't search other reasons because they don't work. When you want to use them again, they don't work. But if you use my reasons, which is just supply and demand, which is in economy or in finance, it is a fact. Okay? When there is a demand, a lot of people, they want something, the price will go up. It's like the auction. Okay? If you go to the auction to buy anything, whatever is the auction is about, there are a lot of people interested to buy this thing. Not just you, but the others. So the price, the bids will be going up and up and up and up and up. Okay? Why? Because there is a demand. If something has no value, you put it in the market, no one will buy it because it has no value. Okay? So that's it for this video. Please, if you have comments and if you have a message, please send me a message. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and share my video to Facebook or to Twitter. Thank you very much.